Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create SVG files in Canva. So SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. They're commonly used for logos and website graphics because they can be scaled to any size without going blurry. So open up your design. So as you can see, I've got like a logo open here. And to download it as an SVG, it's really simple to do. So give your design a name. So I'm just going to call it logo so you can find it again on your computer. Then to download it as SVG, we're going to click on share. And then I'm going to go down to download. You won't see SVG right away. Canva will suggest the format it thinks is best. But all you need to do is click the down option, scroll down, and you will see an SVG option that says it's best for web designs and animations. It's important to note this is a pro option, so you will need a paid plan if you want to download your design as an SVG. But if you do, go ahead and do that. Then all you need to do is click on SVG and download, and you will have created an SVG design. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.